Hello and welcome to Slow English Podcast. In this video, we are going to talk about different greeting. What's the meaning of greeting? It means hello, hi, how are you? If you cannot speak, if your listening is better than your speaking, please watch this video. Let's start. First of all, for learning how to speak English, you need to know some conversation. We are going to start with greeting. When you see someone, your friend, your coworker, your colleague, your teacher, it's different how to say hello, how to greet. We have two kinds of conversation. One of them is formal and another one is informal. Formal is for our friends, our family, and the people we know them. If you have close relationship with some people, you can have informal conversation with them. And opposite, if you don't have close relationship with some people, you have to use formal conversation. Let's start by greeting. When we see someone, for starting our conversation, we can say hi or hello. But if I want to say hello to one of my friends, I can say hey. Hey. Hey is informal. After that, we can use some phrases. For example, how are you? It is so simple that everyone knows it. But for speaking, you have to know more than one phrase for each situation. Instead of how are you, we can say how's it going? How's it going? Or how are things? They are for informal speech. How's it going? Repeat after me. How's it going? How are things? Or if we want to ask about their job, their family, we can say, how is your family? How is your husband? How is your job? How are things at your job? How are things at your university? I can ask different questions with how are things. If you haven't seen one of your friends for a long time, you can say, long time no see. Where have you been? I haven't seen you for a long time. Or we can say, what's up? What's up? Or sup? Sup. American use sup instead of what's up. And if in the morning or afternoon or evening you want to greet with someone, you can say just good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You have a lot of choices to speak, to greet. For example, I see my friend in my neighborhood and I say, good morning, Sarah. Just this. It doesn't need to say, hello, how are you, good morning. And sometimes they make these sentences shorter. For example, morning, it's enough. Afternoon. Don't forget, we cannot use good night for our greeting. We use good night just for saying goodbye. For the formal speech, we can say, how are you? How are you doing? Everything is great. We can change the final word. Everything is good. Everything is nice. Everything is perfect. And what can we say to answer them? We have a lot of phrases to answer. All of you know, I'm fine, I'm okay. They are all true, but we want to improve our language skills. We should learn different vocabularies, not just one or two. For answering to these questions, I can say, I'm all right. It means I'm okay. So, it means not bad, not good. Or I can say, not bad. As always, I'm great. I'm great as always. But in the formal conversation, we cannot say so, not bad, I'm all right. We can say, I'm fine, thank you. Everything is great. If we want to say goodbye, we can use different sentences as well. The first one is bye and goodbye. If you meet your friend, you can say, see you later. Instead of later, we can use other words. For example, see you then. See you then. See you on Monday. See you tomorrow. Or if we want to pronounce them more professionally, we can say, see ya. See ya. If I'm close to that person, I can use take care. Take care. So, if you are in the formal conversation, you cannot use take care. If someone asks question and we want to return that question, it doesn't need to repeat it again. For example, if you ask me, how are you? I can say, I'm all right, and you? Or I can say, I'm okay, what about you? Not bad, what about you? In this part, we are going to learn how to start a conversation and how to ask some personal questions. At first, we can speak about the weather. What a good weather! What a cold weather! Today is so hot. The weather is sunny tonight. The weather is so perfect. We can ask some personal question. For example, what is your first name? If you want to take some personal information, you can add some words into this phrase. What is your? For example, what is your number? What is your address? What is your username? What is your family name? Besides learning some grammars, you should know some phrases and memorize them. Please write everything that I'm teaching. Sometimes we want to speak about the situation and we need someone else agrees with us. For example, I say, today is hot, isn't it? This car is so beautiful, isn't it? It refers to car. She isn't so pretty, is she? If the first sentence is positive, the question should be negative. Or if the sentence is negative, question should be positive. Today is so cold, isn't it? By asking these questions, you can start your conversation easily. I recorded some episodes before this one. Please go to my channel, go to the playlist, and watch Speak English with me. All of these episodes are good to know how to speak. If your listening is better than your speaking, you need to know these grammars, these phrases, and structures. Just don't say that, okay, I listen to different podcasts and I understand, but I can't speak. Okay, really? Do you practice? Do you write everything? Do you have your grammar notebook? It's time to change your method, and it's time to know how to learn English. Thank you for having me here. Write for me in comments. What do you say usually to start your conversation? Don't forget to like my video, and if you like Slow English podcast, I'd be happy to see you in my channel. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.